There's a town in North Ontario. It's to adventure. Well, in an hour and a half, we should be reaching our final destination for the day, which is a free camping spot called Boondockers Welcome. We're gonna try it out, see how it goes. All we have to do is show up. People give you a profile and you read it, and if it's on your route, you can ask if you can stay there, which we did. They accepted. Their profile makes them out to look like pretty nice folk, so see what happens. What a ridiculously nice spot we just got. This is unbelievable. Free. Don't have to pay to be here. They just let you put your rig anywhere you like. Free. 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 Are we having another lunch break?
We sure are. Can't wait to get down and take a walk on the beach. Harlan eating lunch in Wasaga Beach. Hi! And Daddy brushing teeth in Wasaga Beach. You can't really see it, it's very bright. Oh, there we go, it's coming into focus now. Daddy's out of focus, beach is in focus. Camera 1, camera 2. Camera 1, camera 2. Is that the nicest thing you've ever looked at while you brushed your teeth?
Yeah.
Oh, that was actually a trick question. You looked at me.
You're not a beach. Unless you want to be.
Yeah, basic.
You want to go for a walk?
Yeah, after Harlan.
Let's do it.
Yeah, finish his lunch, we gonna go down to the beach.
Going to the beach. Only in Canada.
Check out the dog walker. This guy's making bank.
That guy's walking some serious dogs.
Work.
How many dogs you got there, bro?
Can you please play Snoop Doggy Dog with this guy?
There's a Momentum. That's what they had on KYD. That's like their rig, but lighter.
I remember what they had when we started.
Blue Mountain.
Blue Mountain. Cool.
Collingwood was pretty darn cool. Plenty of nice homes, sandy beaches, and beautiful old things. Enjoyed that. Got some good photos.
I just love this part of Ontario.
Yeah, it's one of the good parts for sure. Yeah. Power. Hear that? That's how you get up to 80 kilometers an hour.
Oh God, did you see the name of that road?
What was it called?
Camper Down Road.
Well, that makes sense because the campsite is down.
Camper Down. Campers are sad. Camper Down.
Oh yeah,
There's a sad
camper down. There's a cat. There's a sad camper. Get some firewood and a guitar over here. Stat. Camper Down Road. That's funny. What's up? Carlin lose something? Don't throw your banana.
Don't throw your banana, Mom.
Don't throw your banana, Mom.
You know what we should never say on this trip?
What?
I wish we had more time.
Oh, you just said it.
We can check out anything we want.
Yeah.
We can't say like, oh, I wish we had more time to go look at mansions on the shores of Georgian Bay. Like we don't need.
Well,
to
now
say
you
that.
say that, but like
I know.
now we're gonna have to either come back or stay here.
Decided.
Pretty excited about today because we're gonna end up in Southampton, Ontario, where I used to live, and it's an incredible place. The water, the sand, it's like a tropical paradise right here in Ontario. I just can't wait to get there. Let's see what kind of camping we can find too.
Oh, sweet. Cool.
Yeah.
That is super cool. Material things hold you back, and I'm still like, mark my words, I'm still going to be getting rid of stuff as we go. However, we have gotten rid of everything except what's in that trailer. I mean, with the exception of a few things at your mom's. But babe, I can sell that fiddle if I want. And then I just have a few random things. But I broke down. See, near the end of getting rid of things, I started getting back that like my precious thing.
Yeah.
The more things you get rid of, the more free you start to feel.
Freedom. Yep.
Maybe we need to watch Minimalism again, the documentary.
I don't know if I can watch that many hugs. Yes, having fewer things has made what we're doing now possible. It's literally, it started in the winter when we started getting rid of things.
You know how many? Yeah.
You don't need 3 lawn tractors. We have arrived in Southampton. I didn't get it filmed because it was a very busy time, but we are set up and parked at our friends, Jerry and Deb, good family friends. Just gonna take you for a little tour of the backyard. Welcome to Jerry and Deb's Oasis. Great spot here. And this is where we'll be hanging out this evening. Moose. Moose.
Oh, he doesn't like that.
Yeah, I can.
Because those are big porks.
Then
Go on, Moose. Here, babe, let's walk the rocks up to the front.